We're at Beach Bend Raceway Park with Justin Kerby, who is a pro junior dragster driver in the PDRA. Justin is from North Carolina, so it's a little bit of a haul to get here to Bowling Green Raceway Park in Kentucky. It's a little bit of haul from North Carolina to get here to Bowling Green, Kentucky to Beach Bend Raceway Park. So Justin, how did you make it possible to make it here?
All my sponsors that put in money to get me here.
What's special about your car this weekend with those sponsors that you got?
We have stickers made for them, and on the Race Live, you can see them.
So anybody who was watching Flow Racing this weekend at the PDRA Door Slammer Derby was able to see these wonderful folks' names on Justin Kerby's Pro Junior Dragster. So now that the race weekend's over, Justin, how did you do this weekend here at the PDRA Door Slammer Derby? So the semi-final. So Justin, is there any one last thing that you would like to say to everybody that sponsored you for this weekend?
Thank you. And I couldn't have got here without you.
All right, so thank you very much to all of Justin Kerby's sponsors.